Okay.
Welcome to Quinlan's TV. Today, we're gonna do the apple volcano and the dancing apple seeds. The apple, and this is apple seeds.
And then this is the vinegar and
This is the vinegar, and there's some baking soda.
Good job. So what we did is we took out the core of the apple.
What is this one?
That's some more vinegar. So we took out the core of the apple, and then we took the apple seeds right here, and we put them separate because we're going to do 2 science experiments.
Okay, let's start.
All right. I'm going to put a little bit of baking soda into the apple. Let me see. We'll do a little bit more than that.
It's almost all of it.
No, it's not. We'll have more. And then we're going to pour in the vinegar and see the volcano.
2, 1.
Woo! Oh my goodness!
Wow! Ew. Wow!
Can you hear it?
Yeah. It's fizzing. Touched it.
What's it doing? It's making fizzy sounds?
Yes. The dancing apple seeds.
Time for add dancing apple seeds?
Yeah.
Alright, so we put some apple cider vinegar, so it's kind of a different color. So we put apple cider vinegar, regular vinegar, and now we're going to dump the apple seeds in.
Ah.
Whoa! Oopsie! Okay, put them in.
Hold it.
Okay, so the apple seeds are in there.
Here's about going in. Ah!
The apple seeds. Alright, now you're going to put some baking soda in.
All of it?
Oh!
Whoa! Ah!
Warning. Warning.
Are they dancing? Look at they're dancing!